Alright. I think we got it going. Yes, I see it. Alright. Hello. And welcome to Isaac Mod. I'm working on coding the entire scripture of the mod. Right now, updating the engine type at this moment. I need to fix that. This. I gotta fix that. Hello. Yeah, that'll be fine. So I'm currently working on fixing up the mod. Funny story, I've updated the... I gotta turn that down. Holy moly. Just didn't go down. But, quintessentially, I updated the engine to 1.5.1, and, yeah, it was not a good thing. So I'm currently now working on that. So right now I'm just testing out the state of how the engine is right now. I also got to see how the engine's gonna run. There we go. Okay, what was that? The game that fucked up? Was it me? Video and music end. Okay, so that worked out. But then there's like 3 frames of unnecessary stuff. That in the middle. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Wow, very slow today. Alright, here we go. Hold on, let me get some things updated, and I might get this fixed. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to fix the music. Needs to loop. There we go. There we go. I need to shrink this down so I can see things better. Actually, no, I don't. Right there. So it takes... I'm gonna add another wacky thing, but I don't know how that's gonna work. I could do another set of these to compensate for down here. I take these cases. I want to see what happens if I add more cases down here. I'll make 13 and 14. I'll make 13 become delete tooltips. That needs to be a function. I guess now what I could do is Well, if I do 0, I need to actually make my own text here then. So I guess I'll just call it something that is rememberable. Bruh. I just want to test it out, see what it does exactly. I think it won't do much, but I can only fathom what it will do. I think it should be fine, because it's literally the same type of code. How are y'all doing today? Just chilling? Oh, I have an idea. That's not it. No, there we go. Did it compile correctly? I need to check that. That's why I need a second monitor, but holy crap. Yes, it compiled. Alright. Perfect. Okay, cool. Now, what I need to work on is the title screen stuff, or the main menu stuff. So I'm going to open up the main menu state. There's a functionality now that the main menu state provided, and I don't like it whatsoever for the sake of our mod, so I'm going to get rid of them all. I'm getting rid of this entire function now. I'm going to get rid of this and then add menu item x value equals add on to 20. But I need to change the height of that now, because the y value needs to be set to here. I could leave this else state, like I could leave the if statement and then just have it just straight go to else, but I don't want that at all. That just kind of sounds harsh enough as it is. Ooh, okay, going everywhere. Hello, welcome to stream, everybody. I'm working on garbage, and by garbage I mean modding for Friday Night Funkin'. Okay. It's not tedious anymore. I've just gotten used to whatever I need to do. Okay, so in title state, I need to find main menu state. There it is. Get rid of you. Okay. Let's compile this and see what we get. Hopefully by then that should work. Basically what I'm doing all stream is updating my game to where I had it last. So you get to see that bumpy ride take place. That should be fun. I'll put the compiler right here. Cool. It launched. Alright, next one. I finally got the correct engine and an actual working one, so I'm happy about that. No way that was a part of the tags. Please tell me it worked. Darn. Okay, so it's not centered right now, so I gotta find out where that's causing this center. I mean, the menu item is right here. That's what's causing it right there. Oh, there's another function that forces it to screen center, actually. Which is right here. So it's just literally forcing a screen center. I gotta turn that off, actually. Is everybody enjoying the music so far? Probably the only music I got that I actually care about. I should probably do like different music things. Hello, everybody. What am I doing? I am working on Hunter L's Friday Night Funkin' mod. I'm the if you haven't noticed by now, I am the main coder for his mod. I'm working on that, and I'm working on updating the engine right now. And there we go. Yes, I'm starting. Yes, I have become one, surprisingly. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to work on the. I think the story mode stuff needs to be cleansed out. Okay. Keep tutorial there just in case. Nope, keep that there. Nope. No. Yeah, there's quite a bit out there, but they just don't stream as much as, you know, people insinuate they do. I'm actually going to put tutorial in that. That way I have it that true value, because there is going to be one down here for our mod. Dogma. This will be dad for right now, boyfriend, girlfriend. Oh, I'm probably going to need a... Okay. And then I'm going to name this help. That's right now, that's all I have. Then I gotta go to some asset data files and fix those up as well. So give me a second. I always wondered how to create mods. It's very, very tedious. It really is. So just keep that in mind. Stage list. I'm gonna call it... I gotta give the other stages back. There we go. Note styles. There we go. Okay. I think actually I'm gonna work on the other assets that I have stored in file, because those need to be done like immediately once I now have all those done. So let me pull up the code for gotta get a new address. Open new window. There we go. So I need to open up the play state function, I believe. I'll go to stop. Stage. Curve stage is what I'm looking for. There it is. Okay. Let me minimize some things so I can see what I'm working with here. Yeah, give me a minute, guys. I'm currently cleaning stuff up code-wise. Okay, here we go. So I gotta go all the way down here to the standard stage and then copy these. copy that. I'll call it basement stage. And then I need to put the basement stage background, I think. Is that what it's called? Hold on. Let me take a look at its name. Oh my god. What age are you? Well, yeah, I'm exactly in my 20s. I'm not going to disclose the exact age, but I am somewhere in my 20s. Per se. And then this will be basement stage. Perfect. Okay, that's done. Now all I gotta do is grab the other one, which is the other stage that I have implemented. Oops. Oops. Yeah, so when I say, I mean, most people here, the platform are usually around their 20s, so it kind of makes sense. By their voice? It depends on how you see it, how you do it. It's also kind of creepy, not gonna lie. Okay, I need the note function. And the play state, yeah, so I'm going to need this section here. Okay, I'm gonna call this dogma, and then the note assets is just a replace. Notes. Okay, here it is. And well, here we go. For some reason, there's a kid who has a deep voice in you. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of people that have deeper voices than necessary, so I'm not terribly worried about that. Where is that located? Let's just get rid of that for the sake of knowing that that's gonna screw up the... Okay, that should give me everything I need to build the game and check it, see if it works. If so, then I think I'll just go over small nuances to see if the whole code's working. Or the whole engine is working. And it compiles. Very nice. Alright. Let's launch the game again and see what we got. Might even have you guys take a listen. Here it is. Okay. I also gotta change those as well, so... There we go. Do you know Corpse? Yes, but I don't really care about Corpse as a individual. He's... I feel like that's just a curse, honestly. Oh yeah, I gotta work on the difficulty thing. Let's see if the stuff worked.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yep. Cool. Works out well. So the mod's coming back. Well, it's all in testing, really. There you go. There we go. Okay, so that works. Oh, I see. Alright, so I gotta fix that then. What do I have in my music setting? I'm gonna get rid of that. Recompile. So that's a major issue. Let's bring the song back. Let's see what we got else. Okay, so I have the notes down. I need the difficulty. Yeah, hold on. Let me look at the guide for that. Kind of stick in my head. Add remove difficulties. Okay. Cool utilities. I'm going to remove the easy difficulty. There will be no easy difficulty today. Replay state. If very difficult. Alright, that needs to be set to 1 because I only want the first value. I'm going to kill this state. Play state. Story difficulty. I'm going to remove this function because that's not going to exist anymore in code. Switch story difficulty. Yeah, I'm just gonna kill this as well while we're here. Oh, definitely gonna need that. Let's see. Easy mode's kind of cringe. A little bit, yeah. Hunter doesn't want it in the code at all, so I pretty much am just obliged to do it by fixing that up. What else do I need to do? Story bar difficulty. Okay. Kill that one. Curve difficulty. There it is. That's what I'm looking for. 1 and 1. Going to remove this case statement, which is just the image for that animation. SPR. Difficulty. I need the animation. There it is. That's what I was looking for. Yeah, I already got that taken care of. Okay. that should be it for that. Let me recompile the code real quick, and then we'll go from there. Maybe you should put a new difficulty? I could do that. That means I'd have to go back and fix up whatever I did here. The problem is the new did have no idea what to call it. And even if we wanted to do that, that's up to Hunter to figure out if he wants to do that. So that's not on my jurisdiction, if I'm going to be honest with you. Okay, game compiled. So let's take a look at it one last time. Let's see if we can call this game good. I think the killing of the games thing kind of fucked up the notes. Well, creating a mod isn't too terrible, depending on how you work on it. Good. Nice. There we go. So going back kills itself. Nope. Okay. So I guess it was just a minor coincidence. That or I fixed it. I'm not too sure which one, honestly. Well, it only dies if I go into a song and leave.
3, 2, 1, go!
Now it just says null value. It's funny. Now there's nothing. And if I go back, it should die. Oh, I guess not. Cool. Interesting. But now it's dead silent. Probably because it's trying to find that menu music, but it can't. I guess I gotta find the function for that now. A menu state? Should be in plain state though. Freaky menu. I'm gonna name these here. There's only 2 of them, so I'm just gonna replace them there. Shouldn't be too bad. Not to mention, I think it should fix the issue. If offset testing. Huh. If story playlist is the length, if the length of story playlist is less than 0, then, huh. Okay, well, that's taken care of, so. Actually, let me see if freaky menu is anywhere here in this code. I'm sick. This one's already taken care of. This has already been coded out, so I need to fix that now. Hey, Ruth! Welcome! You seeing me mod something for the first time. I'm actually coding something for the first time in a while. Cool as that. I'm learning. I guess, if you will. Alright, here we go. Sounds pain and effort. It's not as much pain. The only pain I'm going through right now is just, getting the mod back up to speed after its update. The engine update, at least. So let's go into a song.
3, 2, 1, go!
Let's play for a little bit, and then we'll go from there. That's all you get. I don't know why it just says null up there. That should say easy. I need to type in null and see what it gives, because that has to be a text function. Nope. They changed internal stuff. Not necessarily. I'm working on the Cade engine, which is a whole nother engine in itself. Are they working on something else? No. So the entire thing is up and running now. Yeah. But yeah, I'm working on the Cade engine, which is a whole nother engine in itself. Also back to smooth jazz. So what I'm essentially doing is just working on it. If Lua mod chart. I don't want it in Lua mod chart. I want to know where the difficulty is. It all talks about Lua mod charts. Then again, those are... I don't know what that part is, so I'm just gonna... Oh, this... No, not all this is Lua. Like, the Cade engine provides Lua mod charting, which is just overcomplicated. I have no idea what Lua mod charting is, so I don't do it at all. Oh, here's the icon for the health. There's the health bar. So, most of it's Lua, most of it is not. Well, he made it because he's usually not on my streams at all. Well, no, he usually isn't on my streams at all, so I appreciate some old colleagues coming by and watching me suffer. What does this say? Okay, so what I'm guessing I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna run through my mod one time and check for any bugs that may appear along the way or anything I missed. There is one thing I need to do. Suffering in CTF. Capture the flag? Bro. Play FNAF mod Tricky 3. I've already done that. That's good. The options menu finally works, so I'm happy about that. Okay, so we have tutorial and then we have the dogma chart. Normal should work now as well. Let me make sure. Hey, now. Don't attack people. I got it. Clicking frustration. Oh, okay. No, I believe you, Ruth. I'm suffering here too. There we go. That works. Oh, now it says hard? Wait a minute. So the code's saying that normal is hard mode, but as soon as it reaches hard mode, it's null. Okay, I gotta fix that then. Wonder where I could find that. Let's see. What do we have? Alright, so song rating. No, that's the difficulty text. So did the creator tell you to make who's the Hunter? Yes, he wanted a he wanted a he wanted a mod done, and I'm willing to take the time out of my day to make a mod completely. Let me see how it works here in source code. Let me look at the source code real quick. Give me a second. It's still assuming that I'm running normal, even though it's not supposed to be. Okay, let me go to PlayState and take a look at that. So, difficulty. Where is that? It's right here? No, it's supposed to be an if statement. This one. Where could it be? Alright, let me type in if. There we go. Okay. If. Okay, that's for reading the text. Or that's for reading the file. Isn't there a pause menu state? I think there is. I gotta go find that one now. I think there is, but I'm gonna be 100% with you guys. I have no idea. Oh yeah, this thing has like 100% Discord presentation. It's intriguing, isn't it? This entire game was created off of like a weird engine I've never heard of. Wait, so you can ask him. So you can ask him to make a new mod. I have no idea what that means, if I'm going to be honest with you. Pause substate? You should add death's number. That's assuming I know how to add that. And where to put it. I do know that week 7 did that. That update did do that, but I don't know what the code is for that. If I did, I would try to implement it. But right now, it's not what I want. Let me type in difficulty. Let me get rid of. Let me just difficulty. Okay, here we go. Add level difficulty. Okay, that's a text file. This isn't pause substate. Okay. Sorry, I need something to drink. Scroll factor. Add level difficulty. Is that all I have? So it's all right here. Alpha. It said it's alpha if I wanted. Flex tween level difficulty. I'm assuming that's the text for the pause menu, but I can't tell which one adds the string. I'm going to assume this is it right here. But it has no other value other than here. I don't think it'll matter. I don't think people mind sitting there. I'll have to look into that though, like how that works. But plus, oh, is this it right here? This might be it right here, but I can't tell. Play state song, the lowercase plus difficulty. No idea. Okay, so I guess right now I'm just going to I'm gonna oh, actually hold on a minute. There's something I do need to do. There's something I need to work on. And it's in assets data. So the text you see in the beginning has a bunch of stuff in it. So what is this Isaac mod about? I honestly do not have a clue. I was told to create a mod, and that was it. At least for now. So until I get further information for the next streams that I do, I'm just gonna say I have no idea. Where is it? Here it is. Okay. So what you guys see here is a document. Not necessarily. Depends on how the mod is and how complicated it becomes. But I'm making a mod because we're good friends, and he wanted it done, and I just obliged. So this file has all the, I guess you could say, text from the beginning of the screen. Look at the GitHub, the Cadence. It looks like there's a lot of issues lately. That was from before. I've actually double checked to make sure that the engine is up to speed. Right now it's in passing condition. If it wasn't in passing condition, I wouldn't be running this right now. Believe me, I've double checked. Right now there's no issues with the game right now, or the engine. At least anymore. Don't worry, I've done some research to make sure. Anyway, I'm going to put some stuff in this text file, and yeah, we're gonna work on some of those. So I guess I'll start with Strange Spider Hunter L memberships. Actually, no, I don't know, buddy. Become a Hunter L member today. Let's see what else I got. Bippo or Papa. Bruh. So the text files the words. Sort of. I'm not gonna put that though. Just keep that in mind. Um, let's see. Andy Koopa. Find out again. Eddie Koopa. Actually, no. I'm just gonna do one instance. Ollie. Replace. Have a DN reference. What's a DN reference? If you don't mind me asking. Um, D's nuts reference. Pixel shaders in the engine. There is actually. It's damn near possible. Um, if you've watched Friday Night Funkin' stuff, right now there's a code section for anti-aliasing that smooths everything. You can pretty much set it to false and it will not smooth it out. The problem is I don't know how to properly do that, like pixelization stuff. But all I need to do is turn anti-aliasing off, and it has to be very small. because everything in the pixelization thing is pixelated per se. Um, Depends on, it has to be an image and it has to be implemented in such a way. I'm not sure about 3D space. If it's 2D space, then yes, you could probably implement your own shader in and get away with it. They're like, let me show you something. I'm going to show you this. Um, a lot of people have probably seen this on the internet before, but I'm just going to show it to you. Open. I'm going to open this up. There's a specific thing that has. Where is it? There it is. So this right here is a image of boyfriend in 3D. Now it has a name called Week 54 Prototype, but right now it's just a blank state. And I don't think it's gotten anywhere. So it is possible to make your own shader for it, but I'm not too certain where it's ended up right now. Alright, what's more funny shoot I can add to this thing? Um, Binding of Isaac. Pretty good game. Read mode. Kind of cringe. Let's see. Well, right now, I don't think it's stupid to, see if there's a question for that. I mean, it works. Um, let's see. What else can I add to this file? Trying to find some inside sources I work with. Let's see. Come on. Come on, brain, think of things. Oh, perfect. Well, I already have that in the very beginning. Not to mention, there's more than just me and Hunter doing this entire mod as well. We got some artists working on it as well. Um, there is something I want to put in, but there we go. Hunter L. Amori style. No, I think we'll just stick with this for now until we get there. Okay, so let me revert the program back to its original state. Where is it? Can I? Where is it? There it is. Okay. We're going to run the game again for the last time to see what I get text-wise. There we go. Oh, I have to compile the code again. Hold on a minute. Whoops. Whoopsie daisy. There we go. Smooth jazz. Might as well make it memorable. Ooh. Alright. Let's see what we got. Get rid of you. There we go. Don't need this right now. What am I doing? Okay. Since we already got the beat down, I'm just gonna run code. Holly, get some sleep. Bruh. There we go. Okay, I think we're back up to speed now. I think I got the engine where I need it. Alright, cool. I do believe we are finished here with the mod. Or at least modding the entire thing back up to speed. I should going to do something here in a minute, here right now, before I bother doing anything. So give me a second. I'm going to export this code into a file in case I need to update the engine again. I'm gonna call this backup. I'm gonna shove this entire folder in there. Will you continue? Well, yeah, I'm gonna continue more. I just don't have a lot of assets to work off of right now. We just started not too long ago, like maybe 2-3 weeks ago, and I need to I don't know about that though. That's a whole nother situation. If I can make specific notes, like death notes, that'd be cool. But as right now, I'm currently just gonna work on basic assets. Yeah, maybe. If I can learn that, then I would probably do it for the mod, but just the Isaac mod. That's all I've created so far. I haven't created much of anything else. Again, I just started, so I'm currently working with what I got. Anyway, I appreciate you folks being here for a little bit, and I'll see you next stream. See you around.